Hey guys, and welcome back to another quick inform video. In today's video, we're talking about some savings on boostmobile.com. Yes, guys, it's about that time if you want to upgrade to some new phones. Remember, I told you Boost Mobile usually likes to do these deals around holiday time. So with Halloween coming around the corner, it really is, a couple days away, maybe like a week away. They are finally doing these specials. So if we scroll down a little bit, so you can see no tricks, just treats. Extra 15% off all new Androids. Use code TREAT 2019, guys. So most of the time, I know they do 20% off, sometimes even 10, but usually it's 20% off. This time they're doing 15% off. So I guess Halloween ain't that big, I guess. But let's go ahead and check it out. So this offer does last until the 31st. So just in time, for Halloween and all that stuff, basically Halloween. So like I said, it's about a week and a half really until Christmas, but people are getting ready already, and I can't believe it. I didn't even know it was that close. I thought we still had a little while, so I've been on vacation and stuff, but yeah. So like I said, Treat 2019 is a code, so we can go shop Android, and we can see they're advertising the Stylo 5 and then of course the Samsung A20. Ooh, sorry about that. I had something wrong, but I'll tell you what phones it's worth getting. And then I'll show you how easy it is to use this. So the Samsung Galaxy A10e is a very good budget phone. Actually, like I said, you'll save $15 off this phone. Because 15% 100. So it's not a bad phone, especially if it's a budget phone. If you're looking for a phone that's $100 or less, the A10e is definitely the one to go with. Does have 32 gigs of internal storage, so that's very good compared to a lot of phones that have 16. 5.83 inch, 8 megapixels, 23 hours of talk time, storage up to 32 gigabytes, and of course Android 9.0. So let's keep going here. Let's see, the Motorola E6. Honestly, the A10e is a lot better than this Motorola. It's only 16 gigabytes, so we're not even going to talk about that. Of course, the big daddy right here, so what they call it, I guess, the A20, the Samsung A20. So it's $20. I mean, it's $200. You'll save $30 off of this phone. So it's pretty good. Still get good savings, better the price than I got it. They're saying retail price is $230, guys, but of course it's on sale for $30, and then you can get an extra 15% off the purchase price by using Treat 2019. And this is a good point to show you and tell you about our new supporter, Honey. So Honey is a free web browser extension that will find you the best promo codes on popular shopping websites like Amazon, Boost Mobile, Best Buy, and many more. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/Dragonic to save even more and support the channel. When you guys go and click that link in the description below and make your first purchase, I do get a small commission, which helps me bring more phones and more content to you guys. So check that out. So like I said, the A20 is definitely the one to go with if you're looking for a phone that's under $200. It's a 6.4 inch screen, 13 megapixel camera. Actually has dual cameras. I don't know if you guys knew that, but pretty sure you do. Dual cameras, fingerprint sensor, 31 hours of talk time, storage 32 gigabytes, and of course Android 9.0. So remember, this is only iPhones. I mean, this is only iPhones. This is only Androids, no iPhones. Galaxy S10e, very good priced at $750, and well, it's kind of high price actually, but CoolPad Legacy, same thing if you're looking for a phone that's under $100 and actually want 1080p display, because all these other phones I'm talking about that are budget have a 720 display, so this one does have a 1080p display. I think people are having issues with it. I have the first batch of releases when it first came out, and mine doesn't have any issues. I watch a lot of Netflix, Hulu, all that stuff on it, and perfect for me. So I don't know. I do enjoy that 1080p display versus 720. I must say that Samsung does have a more vibrant screen, so I do give them with that. Then of course the Stylo brand, the LG Stylo 5, 180. You'll save 15% on that as well. Pretty good if you want a phone with the stylus pen. They call it the budget note series. I mean, it is technically very budget, but at least you get a pen with it. And then of course the Stylo 4, Stylo 4 Plus, the Samsungs. But yeah, so like I said, guys, that's quick video. I know you guys like me making these videos for you, especially when there's new savings, because remember, this is through boostmobile.com, so that means that it doesn't matter if you're a new customer, existing customer, porting customer, whatever, you'll get these same prices. Makes it a little fair, and you can shop through online, and within, they do give you 7-day money back guarantee if you don't like the product, so it's pretty cool. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe, let me know in the comments below what you think, hit that little bell, and check out Honey. Okay, so thank you.